Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Kevin, this is KLS Vlogs, and as you can see in my background, I'm coming from work and heading home now. It's about 6:30 in the evening, about now. Yeah, 6:30 in the evening. And as you can see the title, I'm going to do a reaction video today on Cristiano Ronaldo. I did a reaction video a few days ago on Ronaldinho, my greatest footballer ever. So I know what most of you guys love Cristiano Ronaldo, so I'm doing a reaction video based on Cristiano Ronaldo. So that's straight in the video. Okay guys, Cristiano Ronaldo, so-called the greatest player in the world. Not for me, Ronaldinho is the greatest player in the world. But no lie, he is a great player. He's a really good player. I really like how he plays. He's a very fast player. He's very fast. Speed wise, I could say he is the fastest football player. That's easy to say. He's a high jumper as well. He's this guy who could be in the NBA. He thinks he could play basketball, but he can really jump high. So let's see what he got. Let's see if he's better than Ronaldinho. Remember guys, remember to leave a comment here below or your opinions, and if you have any footballers that you think I should react to next, you have to leave a comment here below. Ramos. Oopsie. Yeah, I'm not using my camera today because I'm currently not home. I was on my way home. The place got really dark, and I stopped somewhere because too many cars were passing. Too many background noise. So yeah, so I'm at a friend's place. As you can see, this guy is really fast. No. Yes, we call it step over. We call that plat in Jamaica. Yeah, king row, yeah, plat. Bicycle. I think that's his signature move. He's always passing over the ball, stepping over the ball. Signature move. Oh, I said one thing in my previous video about footballers. And their leg strength is really awesome. This guy, Cristiano Ronaldo, one thing about his leg strength is powerful. This is a powerful kick off the ball. This guy is like a whole king football. He's a very strong kicker. He can kick for really far out. You see, he's always tipping over. That's his signature move. Yeah, I could say that is number 2 move. Like, he's always doing that attacking.
When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Good touch.
Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain.
Nice.
I'm sorry for all the pain.
Oh, salad. As you guys call it, nutmeg. Excuse me. Good call. Right, step. Vapor. No, ang ingin na yun. Ano ingin na yun?
My love it grows with the memories like a symphony. You and I, we got history.
Oopsie.
Yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name? Or you say her name? Yeah. My love it grows
You know.
with the memories like a symphony. You and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're intimate, you and I, we got history. Yeah.
What's that? What's that? So high this guy jump. No, look how high this guy jump. Cristiano Ronaldo. And this guy jumps so high he has to count his back just to butt the ball. Dang. Power. You see that? Did that for strength? Did you see that for strength? Oh, good one time. Good one time. Good one time. Ready. CR7 Cristiano Ronaldo. You want to go to the theater? My God. Back heel. Okay, look at the back heel. Gianni. Yo! Don't say that. Yo! Speed. Everybody are fast and fast. Man, fast, man. Yeah, man. Come here, man. Wrong direction. Not this one. Oopsie. Gianni. It was one stress code and it was just not boring. Just can't be boring. You think I'm gonna stop that? That really? What the? The more fly possible. Power. The ball about the power. No, sir. Boom, kill the keeper, man. Boom, kill the keeper, man. Speed. You're fast so fast. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Remember, I'm Kevin, this KLS vlog. Remember to please comment in the comment here below. Also like if you like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Join the KLS gang. Yeah, people, remember to please leave a comment here below. If you think Cristiano Ronaldo is the greatest player ever, if you think he's better than Ronaldinho, or if you think he's not. Also, if you think another football player out there that you believe is the greatest football player and you want me to react to his video, also comment his name in the comment here below. I will look for him and I will do a video. I'm Kevin, KLS Vlogs, and I'm out. Peace.